Welcome to our review of the best 3D printers of 2024. We've curated a list of the top 10 models to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Let's dive into the details. Number 1. Creality Ender 3 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3 is a reliable and affordable option for beginners and enthusiasts alike. With a generous printing size and fully open-source design, it offers versatility and ease of use. However, some users have reported issues with assembly instructions and bed leveling. Pros: affordable price point, open-source design, generous printing size. Cons: assembly instructions can be unclear. Bed leveling issues may arise. Number 2. Eligo Neptune 4 Pro 3D Printer. The Eligo Neptune 4 Pro boasts high-speed printing and auto-leveling features, making it a great choice for those seeking efficiency and precision. Its direct drive extruder and easy assembly process further enhance user experience. However, it comes at a higher price point compared to some competitors. Pros: high-speed printing capability, auto-leveling feature, direct drive extruder. Cons: higher price point, limited availability of support resources. Number 3. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3 V3 SE offers faster printing speeds and advanced features such as auto-leveling and dual Z-axis, improving print quality and efficiency. However, some users have reported issues with filament loading and occasional firmware glitches. Pros: faster printing speeds, auto-leveling feature, dual Z-axis for improved stability. Cons: filament loading issues, occasional firmware glitches. Number 4. Anticubic Cobra 2 Neo 3D Printer. The Anticubic Cobra 2 Neo impresses with its upgraded printing speed and integrated extruder design. The Levic 2.0 auto-leveling system ensures accurate prints, making it ideal for beginners. However, some users have experienced difficulties with bed adhesion. Pros: upgraded printing speed, integrated extruder design, Levic 2.0 auto-leveling system. Cons: bed adhesion issues, limited filament compatibility. Number 5. Eligo Saturn 3 Ultra MSLA 3D Printer. The Eligo Saturn 3 Ultra stands out with its large printing size and high-resolution monochrome LCD. Wi-Fi transfer capability and ACF release liner film further enhance user convenience. However, it comes at a higher price point compared to other resin printers. Pros: large printing size, high-resolution monochrome LCD, Wi-Fi transfer capability. Cons: higher price point, limited compatibility with third-party resins. Number 6. Flashpoint Adventurer 5M 3D Printer. The Flashpoint Adventurer 5M offers fully automatic leveling and impressive printing speeds of up to 600 mm per second, making it suitable for users seeking efficiency and speed. Its Core XY all-metal structure ensures stability and durability. However, some users have reported occasional issues with nozzle clogging. Pros: fully automatic leveling, high printing speeds, stable Core XY all-metal structure. Cons: occasional nozzle clogging, limited availability of support resources. Number 7. Anticubic Photon Mono 2 Resin 3D Printer. The Anticubic Photon Mono 2 features a high-resolution 4K LCD screen and upgraded Li Turbo Matrix for precise and detailed prints. Its enlarged print volume accommodates larger projects, while the monochrome screen enhances printing speed. Pros: high-resolution 4K LCD screen, Upgraded Li Turbo Matrix. Enlarged print volume. Cons. Resin compatibility issues. Limited customer support. Number 8. Anticubic Photon Mono M5's Pro Resin 3D Printer. The Anticubic Photon Mono M5's Pro boasts a large 14K HD Mono LCD screen for superior print quality and speed. Its leveling-free and intelligent detection features streamline the printing process. However, it comes at a higher price point compared to other resin printers in its class. Pros. Large 14K HD Mono LCD screen. Leveling-free and intelligent detection. Superior print quality and speed. Cons. Higher price point. Limited compatibility with third-party resins. Number 9. Creality Official Ender 3v3K 3D Printer. The Creality Official Ender 3v3K offers high-speed printing and superior hot-end cooling for improved print quality. Its self-test and dual Z-axis design ensure stability and accuracy. Pros. High-speed printing capability, superior hot-end cooling, self-test and dual Z-axis design. Cons. Filament compatibility issues, limited availability of support resources. Number 10. Anticubic 3D Printer Cobra 2 Neo. The Anticubic 3D Printer Cobra 2 Neo impresses with its auto-leveling and smart Z offset features, making it easy to achieve precise prints. Its upgraded design enhances user experience, although some users have reported occasional issues with assembly instructions. Pros. Auto-leveling and smart Z offset features. Upgraded design for improved usability. Easy assembly for beginners. Cons. Occasional issues with assembly instructions. Limited availability of spare parts. With these top 10 3D printers of 2024, you're sure to find the perfect model to bring your creative projects to life. Stay tuned for more reviews and updates in the world of 3D printing.